The new 2024 NIO ET5 Touring is the first station wagon from the Chinese EV startup. As the estate version of NIO's Tesla Model 3 rival, the ET5 Touring provides practicality and flexibility without sacrificing performance. The ET5 Touring has the same sleek, futuristic styling as the ET5 sedan with a few tweaks to accommodate the longer roofline. The overall proportions are athletic, and the subtle detailing, like the flush door handles and full-width light bar, give it a high-tech look. Unfortunately, the lidar pods on the roof interrupting the smooth lines. With the rear seats up, the ET5 Touring provides 450 liters of cargo capacity. Folding the 60/40th split rear seats opens up a van-like 1,300 liters. The low flat load floor makes it easy to load bulky items. Rear seat passengers enjoy adult-friendly legroom and headroom. The ET5 Touring uses the same dual-motor all-wheel drive powertrain as the sedan, with a front induction motor making 201 horsepower and rear permanent magnet motor producing 282 horsepower. Total output is 483 horsepower and 481 pound-feet of torque. This allows the Touring to accelerate from 0 to 62 miles per hour in just 4.3 seconds. Top speed is limited to 112 miles per hour. Inside, NIO sticks with its minimalist aesthetic. The clean dashboard is dominated by a 12.8-inch touchscreen and features sustainable materials like recycled plastics. The digital gauge cluster provides all key driving info to the driver. There's plenty of room for passengers, while the Touring's extended roofline gives it an airier feel versus the sedan. The floor-mounted 100 kilowatt-hour battery pack provides up to 335 miles of range on the WLTP cycle. With 125 kilowatts fast charging, replenishing the battery from 10 to 80% takes just 32 minutes. However, NIO's unique battery swap stations can replace the pack in under 5 minutes. Built on NIO's NT2 platform, the ET5 Touring delivers composed ride and handling balance. Adaptive air suspension and continuous damper control create a cosseting ride quality without too much body roll in corners. The steering provides respectable feedback but lacks a true connection to the road. Performance is helped by a low center of gravity from the underfloor battery pack. The Touring's long roof boosts practicality versus the sedan without compromising aesthetics or dynamics. For buyers needing space along with Tesla rivaling technology and performance, the NIO ET5 Touring presents an intriguing choice in the EV marketplace. Its unique battery swap system could give it an edge as more affordable EVs enter the segment. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more car reviews and updates. See you in the next video.